All right, we've got a few more examples of finding angles. So now we're told to find all values. So I'm going to highlight the important parts. All values of theta between 0 and 360 degrees, so I'm in degree mode, that satisfy these equations. Well, sine is positive, and I know that sine is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So I'm looking for two answers here. My first answer is just going to be when I do the inverse of 5, 6, 2, 3. So sine inverse of 0.5623. And I get the first angle in quadrant 1. That's about 34.2. And now angle 2, theta 2, is going to be 180 minus that angle. That's my reference angle here. So that's going to be about 145.8 degrees. Tangent is negative. Well, I know tangent is positive in the all and the t, so tangent must be negative down here and up here. But remember, I'm measuring from positive direction. So if I do tan inverse, negative 1.6718, I'm getting this negative angle here, negative 59.11, etc. Well, so my first theta is going to be 180 minus that angle. My second angle is going to be 360 minus the 59, because I want the positive numbers. So you put those in your calculator. I've done it already, so I know that I'm going to get 120.9 and 300.9 degrees. Okay, I'm going to leave these two for you to try. And I'm going to come down here to example 5 and show you that now we want, again, all values from 0 to 2 pi. That tells me I'm in radians mode. So as soon as I see that, I'm coming to my calculator mode and coming down to radian. Okay, so sine is negative. Sine is negative where my y values are negative, so here and here. But I want positive radians for my solution. So sine inverse of negative 0.5612. Well, that's close to a half, negative a half. I know sine is a half for a pi over 6 angle, so I should get an answer that's close to pi over 6. I get negative 0.59. Let's test that. Pi over 6. All right, I was pretty close. I've got the negative because I'm down here. But we don't want the negative angle, we want the positive angles. So I've got 180 plus that. So my first theta was about negative 0.59. And I'm in radians, of course. So now let's put my radian symbol. So first theta is going to be pi plus that value. My second theta is going to be 2 pi minus that value. Make sure you put it in your calculator in such a way that you're adding 0.59 and subtracting 0.59. And I'll leave you to go check those answers.